Hey Artland, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw Mr. MEESEEKS from Rick and Morty. Now, to start off with this, we're going to begin in the center of our paper, and I'm just going to draw two little circles for eyes. So I'm just going to draw two little circles like this. Then I'm going to add two more small circles inside of each one. And then I'm just going to color these in. Now, right above the eyes, I'm just going to add a little curved line like this, and then one a little bit lower for some eyebrows. And then I want to make a nice big smiley face on here. So I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve across like this. And then I'm going to add a little curved line on this side and then a little curved line on this side. Then right underneath here, I'm just going to add a little smiley face for the chin. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve around here to make the head. So I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve around. It's going to go to here, and that's just going to come right back down to here. Now, starting right here, I'm going to make one of his arms kind of sticking up so it's like he's waving. So I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to curve up to here. And then I'm going to add a little line that goes out and then comes back for a thumb. Then I'm going to make a little line that just kind of curves around here, and then when it comes back to the body, it's going to get really skinny. Then starting here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve down. Then I'm just going to kind of curve it up for the hand. Make a little line that goes out and comes back. And then just bring it right up to here. Then starting here, I'm going to make a little line that just kind of curves out and comes back. Same thing here, just go down and kind of curve in. Then right here, I'm just going to make a line that goes down. Same thing over here. Make a line that goes out, and that's just going to kind of curve around and then come back up to here. And then same thing here, you just draw a line that goes out, it's going to curve around, and then it's just going to come right back up to here. And then I'm just going to make a little line right there. Then the last thing is you want to give him some hair. And to do that, I'm just going to draw a little line that goes up and down like this. And then I'm just going to add a few more onto here. And there you go. There is your drawing of Mr. MEESEEKS from Rick and Morty. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.